Ready to get started for another week. I have a lot of odds and ends here. They're all going to be white, a matte white. There's a hope chest, a rocking chair, a large entryway bench. I'll take all of those hangers off the top, and then a coffee table, and also a picture frame. I got that covered and taped off, so it's ready to go. I'm going to use my Zinsser cover stain to give this a good coat of primer before I do the top coats of white. I want to have good coverage, so I'm going to get my sander out. And I'm going to sand all of this with a 120 grit, and then I'll be ready for primer. I have my son's Halloween party, his last Halloween party for 5th grade before he goes into middle school next year. So it's going to be a half day, so hopefully I can get the primer on and be ready for the top coat tomorrow. Well, it's day 2. The primer's on really well, has great coverage. I love the Zinsser High Primer. If you can remember from the last video, there was a lot of black showing through, so that's covered. Our chest is looking good. Got a good base coat on that. The bench had really good coverage, actually. So that's going to give me a really good base coat to start the top coat. I'm going to do matte white and then seal with polyacrylic ultra flat. So these are our products for the week. My respirator needed to be replaced, so I got a new one. I bumped it up. This one looks pretty awesome. Performance respirator. Especially made for spraying, and it has an inside filter as well to filter out microbes and whatnot. So that'll be really good. The Flood Floetrol to add to the cabinet and furniture paint because I'm doing white and it is definitely really thick. And then ultra flat polyacrylic at the end. So I'll do 3 to 4 coats of that and get a good seal on it. So here we go. I'm going to do 3 coats of the cabinet and furniture paint in flat white. Have 3 top coats on now. Had great coverage with doing the primer first. Good coverage. Really, really good. I think I'm going to do another coat on the chest here, the hope chest, just to cover that blue, and probably do another coat here on the rocking chair. Those were the 2 teal pieces, and they're not covering as well as the other 2. So I'm going to do another coat. Sometimes you just have to do that. You just have to go with the flow and see what you get. But the bench looks great, and so does the coffee table. That is a bright white. Right now I'm opening up the drawers and doing this. I can't stand it. Like, that's where the sprayer can't reach, so we have to go back through on all the drawers and the door. Yep, on the door, right in there. So we're gonna get that done, and then as soon as the 3rd coat's dry on the hope chest and the rocking chair, I'm gonna do another coat on that, and then I should be good for the day. And then tomorrow I will do my sealer. I was successful getting everything bright white. Stay tuned for the reveal. Here's all the pictures Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.